Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to underline any text in MS Word document. So guys, it's a very basic and simple video tutorial to learn MS Word. So firstly select your text, like we want to make underline this sentence. So select, then here you will see option underline, and here are some more options like double underline, single bold, single think underline, dotted underline, or dashed underline, wave underline. So as your requirement and choice, you can select any line. So this is the way to make underline in MS Word document. Thanks for watching.